Wearing a suit and having a suitcase with him. He chased me down the train station.
When you're not here, the sun don't shine. When you're not near, I don't.
Okay, so I just woke up. I look like shit, but what happened was I was followed on the train by this man. I wouldn't say he's like a stalker, but I think he misunderstood that I showed interest. Well, okay, hear me out, because he was weird. But he was on the train wearing a suit and having a suitcase with him, so I thought that he was weird. I was looking at him on the train, like giving glances, so I think that he thought that I was interested. I don't know. When I got down from the train, he got down too, and I remember seeing him in front of me. I was surprised that he ended up following me, because I thought he left first, but no, in the end he actually followed me to the place where I was waiting for my parents to pick me up. I went back into the train station and I bought some ice cream, and he followed me, and then he asked me like my name and where I'm from and all those information, and I don't know why I did not lie about my name, but the rest I lied everything else, like all the questions, where I stay and where I'm studying at, like. And on that day, I was dressing a little bit mature. It wasn't my usual fun color outfit. It was gray. It was neutral outfit, which is quite. It made me look a bit older. So he was surprised when I told him that I was a student. And keep in mind, he looked like he was in his late 20s, 30s. But he asked for my number afterwards. Like, he was bombing me with these questions. I was like, my father's here already. And then he's like, oh, your father. I'm like, yeah, I'm my father, so fuck off. But he was really polite about it. He wasn't, like obsession, stalker vibes, but he was just really, like, I clearly showed this interest. I wasn't looking at you. I was trying to run away from you, and he chased me. He chased me down the train station while I was like running, fast walking with my ice cream in my hand. I was trying to escape from him, and he still he called out my name, and then he ran up to me, and I was like, God, I'm running away from you. Don't stop. This is basically what happened, and this happened so long ago that I forgot the details. This is just what happened, and it was I really look bad today, but I'm sick, if you can't tell from my voice. I'm trying to finish editing this vlog and upload it before I get dropped by the YouTube partner program.
Wondering where I'd be if you stayed the night. They all at that party, yeah, but I don't mind. Cause I bought a hot pocket at the 7-Eleven. Come on, let's do it again. I do it over again. Just to stay in this moment with you. Under the moon, I feel on top of the world with your hand in my pocket. Hold my jacket, pass the light. Sing that fast part, know the last part, the way you like it. I feel on top of the world with your hand in my pocket. Writing down the things that we still haven't done. All the friends pretending like we wanna get lunch. Don't know if we're doing, but it's fun to dream. Yeah, it's funny to dream, but you're laughing with me. I wanna stay in this moment with you.
Can I go to 30th and 11th?
Guideline, and now we see that the guideline is over. Shit, my laptop.
Smoke 'em if you got 'em, 'cause they're not gonna last when your luck runs out.
我掰啊。
ได้